Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about error handling. Okay, I'll just write it here. Error handling. Error handling. Error handling means, like, for example, there's many errors, right? If I do this, A equals to 34. Print B. If I misspell that, right, should be running. I don't know what's that. Yes, it's running. See, it says B is not defined because we put A, right? And this is called a name error. There's many types of errors, like value error, type error, name error, attribute error, indentation is syntax. We're going to talk about all these, okay? And then we can handle this. So if we have another program, let's say C equals 2 plus 3, we print C, right? If we have an error, it's just going to stop the whole program. It won't print this one even though it's no error. So today, we're going to talk about error handling. First is a name error. Name error is when something is not defined. Okay? For example, an example is right here. Okay, so to handle this name error, all we have to do is use a try block. What's this gonna do is that first it will like check this process. So A equals to 34, right? Print to B. It will see, and then it will tell itself that this is an error, name error. So we gotta do here, except name error. See, you can put any variable here. It doesn't just have to be E. Okay? So, so it will like here accept name error as E. It will, this program, it won't run it, right? It won't stop the whole program. If the other program here is right, which is right, it will make that keep on going. And we print E. It's for to print the error, name error, basically. Okay? So, yeah, I guess. So see, it says name B is not defined, but it's showing, but the other program is working. See? 5, because 2 plus 3 is 5. That's the name error. So this is number 1. Name error. Done. For 2, I guess. Yeah, 2. Value error. Okay, so for value error, what we do is first, it's the same thing. Value error is like this. Okay? Here, I'll show you. Okay? So, value error is basically. Okay, sorry for that, guys, but I'm back. Okay, something happened. So, anyways, like I was saying, value error is, for example, we have an input. So in this input, we can put anything, like it's a number, 20, like your age, 20, 12, another guy, 25, and 15, right? If you put like letters like this, A, L, D, it's anyways gonna put error. So this is what a value error is. Let's do it. Okay, first, we gotta put the input in, right? Okay, and your number done. Then we just print A except the value error as E. Print E. And then we can print something here. Like 2 plus 3. How about that? Okay, if we enter a number like blah blah blah, it doesn't work, but it works for this code. It works because 2 plus 9 is 11. For the next one, okay, now for the next one, this not value, type error. Type error is if we add or do any operation with different types, that's called a type error. How do we do this? Easy, right? A equals to hello by 3. That's what I mean. Except type error as E, just do this. Done. We can print here. My name is after. Done. Done. Okay. Okay. See? It works. Okay? It prints my name is Avner. Now for the last one. Attribute error. Question number 4. Attribute error. Yeah, that's what it's called. Attribute error. Done. So it's like if you put a different attribute, that's what this attribute error means. Try A equals to 34. A dot append, because append only works for list, right? So this won't work. Except, what is that? Attribute error. Attribute error as AE. You can put that. You can put any variable. It just doesn't have to be AE. Okay? Now if we do this, it should work. Yeah, it worked. Okay? So thank everyone for listening to my video. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.